Hello, this is house in Russia. As you see, his table look like American. I may recommend you not look through here. As for his knife, as you see, his knife over here. This is knife right here. This is good knife. This is Cutco knife. Made in Gadol, USA. Yes, very nice. Yes. As you see, bathroom is very nice bathroom. You see shirt? Yes, it's my shirt. You say, this is my house. Yes, in Russia. This is dog. His name is Pineapple. He's named after famous American fruit out of Ireland. His TV and computer is the light fixture. Is in Russia we call this Belsor. It spin round and round and round. It's very nice addition to house. But this is my baby right here. I will show you in light. Oh yes, in Russia I could go very far in Russia with this. Yes, it's very nice. And you see the stickers say, say just wear it. It's very nice. Well, I wish you well. This is videotake number 2 by Vladimir. You have good day. I will see you later.